you can transpose the data in Microsoft Excel. Suppose here this is one table. You can see the first column is ID, suppose employee ID, second column is first name, and third column is last name. So if we want to transpose this, that means in the first column it will come ID and first name and last name, and right hand side will come this ID 1 2 3 4, then first name corresponding to all IDs and last name. So row and columns are now rearranged like this. So how to transpose this? Let's delete this one. Okay, now firstly we have to identify the required number of rows and columns here. So if you want to transpose this table, there are 1 2 3 columns. That means here your number of rows will be now 1 2 3, and number of columns will be 1 2 3 4 and 5. Obviously this will come also. So this ID value, so this 1 2 3 4 5. So total number of columns will be now 5. 1 2 3 4 5. So now what to do? You need to select the number of required rows and columns and then put the formula. Simply first select, then press equals to transpose, TRAN, okay, it can press tab, then select the entire table, select this, close the first bracket here. Now don't press enter, you have to press Ctrl Shift and enter. So keep in mind you have to press Ctrl Shift and enter. So I am pressing Ctrl Shift and enter. Okay, now you can see this is transposed. So now this is done. So these are the IDs here. So rows are now columns and columns are now rows. So like this you can transpose. So firstly what you will have to do, you have to select the required number of rows and columns, then put the formula equals to transpose, then select the entire table, and then press Ctrl Shift and enter, then this transposition form will come.